What's good? Once again, it's your boy, the Black Hippie, as always. Peace to the universe. It's Monday again, people. It's the beginning of the week. It's a chance to start anew. It's a chance to finish up what you did not finish last week. Do not go into this week without doing your best. Continue to keep doing what you need to do. The month is almost over, or the month has just started for some. But at the end of the day, continue to keep pushing, continue to keep doing your thing, stay motivated, be positive. Don't let these haters keep you away from what you need to be doing. Don't let bad elements, spirits, energies, things that go wrong in your life, do not let them get you down and keep you away from your victories today. With that being said, as always, your boy, Black Hippie, Motivational Mondays. Keep it going.